All eyes are on the nation's highest court. Protesters gathered outside of the Supreme Court as the court heard arguments in cases that could have a major impact on LGBTQ rights. At issue is whether a federal anti-discrimination law that prohibits discrimination on the basis of sex also covers gay and transgender workers. TV5's Rachel McCrary is talking with local advocates who are fighting for equal rights and job security.
But you can still be fired, you can still be refused service, and if you try to rent a house or buy a house, you could be discriminated that way too.
And that's wrong, according to Equality Caucus and LGBTQ member Dale Wayhill. He believes no employer should be able to let an employee go because of their sexual orientation.
Behavior is one thing, but who you are as a person, to me, if you're doing a great job and you're a respectful customer, is totally different.
Right now, the Supreme Court is considering 3 cases, debating whether gays, lesbians, and transgender people are protected from discrimination by existing civil rights laws. One of the cases involved a Detroit funeral home that let an employee go after they transitioned from male to female. The attorney for the funeral home, John Bursch, believes that the law allows that and says the court shouldn't change it.
And the court should not be in the business of creating new words in a statute where Congress did not add them, or otherwise Americans and American businesses can never rely on what the law says.
Bursch says making sexual orientation a protected class could actually negatively impact people.
For women clients of overnight shelters, for women on sports teams, it's going to cause harm to millions of people. That's not the role the Supreme Court should be playing.
Wayhill isn't sure what the future will hold, but knows what he would like to see happen.
My view is that they should serve everybody, they should hire everybody, and they should only refuse service or fire people when the person that wants the service or wants the job isn't performing or is totally out of line.
In Genesee County, Rachel McCrary, WNEM, TV5.